Before using your single dose hopper, remember to hand wash the hopper and lid in warm soapy water and dry thoroughly. Remove the existing hopper from the grinder. Align the setting indicator with the silver triangle marker on the right side of the case. Press the hopper down firmly and twist clockwise. On our flat burst series, the setting indicator will be facing the back and will line up accordingly. Adjust your setting with or without the lid on. You are able to use the lid as a dosing cup by placing it on the scale and weighing your desired dose. There are also lines inside that can help you measure the amount. Pour your beans inside the hopper and slide the lid on top. Happy grinding!